In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two domains to one website in HostPapa. Whether you're consolidating your web presence or simply trying to manage multiple domains, this tutorial will show you just how easy it can be. So, let's get started. First off, the initial step is to log into your HostPapa account. Open your browser and head over to hostpapa.com and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find access to My cPanel. Now that you're in the cPanel, we're going to add the second domain as an alias. Scroll down to the domain section and you should see an option for aliases. Click on that. Once the page loads, you'll see a text entry box where you can type in your second domain name, the domain you want to connect to the same website. After entering the domain name, hit Add Domain. The alias domain will map to your primary account's root directory, meaning it will show the same content. The next set of actions involves updating the DNS settings for the second domain. You need to visit the domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, depending on where your domain is registered. Log into your account and locate the DNS management or name server settings. Here, you'll need to change the existing name servers to HostPapas. Replace them with ns1.hostpapa.com and ns2.hostpapa.com. Be sure to save these changes. Keep in mind, DNS changes could take up to 24 hours to propagate. While you're waiting for that to happen, it's always a good idea to test both domains by typing them into your browser to see if they resolve to your website. Initially, you might not see them pointing to your site until the DNS changes fully propagate. Remember, patience is key here. Once propagation is complete, you should see your website load when you enter either domain into your browser. If everything is working correctly, both domains will show your website, signifying that the setup is successful. Finally, don't forget to give it another test after some time, just to make sure that the configurations stick. And there you have it. Connecting two domains to one website in HostPapa doesn't have to be complex. With a little patience and following these steps, your online presence will be more versatile and manageable. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick, easy to follow tech tutorials. Until next time, happy hosting!